So I think we have our first caller. We have Anu who calls in from Mumbai, and she has investments in GMR Infra. Anu, go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah, I'm calling from Mumbai. Yes. I have GMR Infra I bought it 1,000 shares at the rate of 21.
Okay.
And I can wait for long, but don't really know, how long or shall I make an exit from this?
Okay. Are you willing to maybe take some losses and then move into brighter prospects?
I would rather prefer to stay in the stock. If for a year max.
Okay, recoup your losses and then maybe exit. That would be your plan.
Yeah.
Okay, Mayuresh, what would you recommend to Anu? She would prefer to hold on to GMR Infra, possibly a horizon of 1 year, maybe make back at least what she bought the stock at, and then possibly look to shift into another stock. Do you think that from 12 it can go to around her buy price of 20-22 rupees?
Afternoon, Ekta. Very difficult looking at the operational performance of GMR Infra. And though the management has tried and made a lot of efforts in reducing its debt overall with a lot of exercises conducted, I think the overall business does not generate that much amount of free cash flows. And again, I think the debt on their books has been a long deterrent. So if you look at the performance, the losses of 892 crores, I think the finance cost itself comes to around 967 crores for the quarter. And servicing of this interest, I think, takes a huge toll on the profit margins of this company. So clearly, I think from a year's perspective, very difficult to achieve the cost price that the investor has bought the stock at. But again, I think if she is willing to hold on for a greater period of time, I think she has to have a lot of patience. But with a year's perspective, I do not believe the cost price would be achieved. So I think if she can exit the stock on rallies, I think that will be a better option. The better options to probably go in this market with a year's time horizon would be financials or selective pharma counters. I think we are liking Yes Bank, Aurobindo Pharma, where we believe the earnings growth will be far better than sticking around with the GMR.
All right. Hope that advice works for you.